sa akin kami.
Happy birthday! Wish ko lang na sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Sorry anak, kung may pagkukulang man ako sa'yo dahil madalas ay busy ako. Busy si mama. Love you anak. More birthdays to come again. Happy birthday. I love you. Alam mo, kasali mo kayo.
Tayo mo daw. Oh.
Nasa sa akin iyak.
Oh, sige na. Magkaganda ng flower mo. Meron ka ng pambiling?
Shopee, madami na.
iPhone sa Islas. Oh.
Ulaan mo na kung ano to.
Oh, buksan na yung ano, gift. Buksan na rin yung gift dito na.
Baka
Buksan na yung gift.
Ay, wow! Ayan, yay! Diba? Dapat mag-aaral mabuti.
para maging masaya si
Wow.
Mami. Tsaka si
Kanon
Daddy.
pa,
Kanon
kanon.
pa.
Oh, yan na. Oh, picture ka na ulit.
Kotse na po next time.
Ang dami niyang wish.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah. Boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside.